Dear students, today we will learn how to recognize and remember both short and long sounds of vowel A. You are already familiar with all 26 letters in the alphabet A to Z. But what do you know about the 5 vowels? Out of the 26 letters in the English alphabet, there are only 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. What about the vowels makes them so special? Of the 26 letters, A, E, I, O and U are the only ones that represent sound, meaning we can make sound by using our voice and opening our mouth by saying these vowels. Try saying the letter A and hold the sound for 5 seconds. Let's do it together. A. We'll try again. A. We noticed our mouth doesn't move when we say the letter A loud. Let us try saying the other vowels. We will say the vowels aloud and hold the sound for 5 seconds. Let's start together. E, I, O, U. Did you notice? The same way as our mouth did not move when we were saying the letter A, the rest of other vowels also could produce sound only by opening the mouth. The mouth need not move. So let's start the lesson and we will learn about how the vowels can sound in words. Today, we will focus on A sound words. Children, sometimes it is easy to hear the vowel in a word. Okay, now you are going to tell me what vowel you hear when I say the word 8. I'll repeat again, 8. Don't you hear A? It is easy to hear the vowel A in this word because the vowel A actually says its own name. When the vowels sound just like their own letter names, we call this long vowels. We can draw a long line over the vowel A to show that it has a long sound in this word, like this. Children, did you know? If in a word there are 2 vowels and they are next to each other, the first vowel sound is usually long. That means the first vowel will sound the same as the sound of that letter, and the second vowel is silent. Let us say some words and understand how we recognize the long A sound in these words when 2 vowels are next to each other. The first word is maid. In this word, the first vowel is A and the second vowel is E. When we say the word maid, we can hear the first vowel sound as A and the second vowel E is silent. As we can hear the vowel A, this is a long A sound word. Next word is fade. Here also A is the first vowel and E is the second vowel. When we say the word fade, we can hear the first vowel sound as A. And the second vowel E is silent. As we can hear the vowel A sound, this is a long A sound word. Children, let's sing together the long A sound song. Ah, come, let us learn the long A sound, the long A sound, the long A sound. Oh yes, let's learn the long A sound. The long A sound is A. Here we go. A sound say, A sound say, as in male. Gain, bake, ape, paint, grey. A sound say, A sound say, as in nail. Main, cake, tape, day, play. A sound say, as in pain, pain, lake, eat, hay, pray. A sound say, as in rail, rain, make, hate, lay, stay. A sound say, as in sail, train, rake, late, may, stray. A sound say, as in tail, mate, take, date, pay, tray. A sound say, as in game, vein, tail, gate, say, fade. A sound say, as in game, wave, sail, bait, waved, made. A sound say, as in name, save, whale, wait, clay, great. A sound say, the long A sound is A. Children, sometimes a vowel in a word has a different sound and it doesn't say its own name, as in apple. In this word, the first vowel A doesn't sound like A. Rather, it sounds like A. Apple. A. Here, A sounds as A. These are called as short vowel sounds. We can draw a smile over the vowel A to show that it has a short sound like this. Children, to recognize a short A sound word, there are few rules. Let us understand these rules. The first rule is, for a word to have a short A sound, the word cannot have the vowel A as its last letter. The vowel A must be followed by a consonant. Like here, at. In this word, A is the vowel and T is the consonant. The vowel A is followed by a consonant here. And when we say the word loud, at, A sounds as A. So it is a short A sound word. Second rule is, if a word has only one vowel and the vowel appears in the middle of the word, The vowel is usually pronounced as a short A vowel. Example, bat. Here, this word has vowel A in between two consonants. It is in the middle of the word. And there is only one vowel, that is A. B and T are consonants. When we say the word aloud, we hear A sound as A, bat. So, this is a short A sound word. The third rule is when a short word having only one vowel in middle of the word ends with double S, double L or double F, where S, L and F are consonants. For example, in ball. In this word, there is only one vowel, that is A, and A is in the middle of the word, and the word is ending with double L. L is a consonant. When we say the word ball, A sounds as A. So, this is a short A sound word. The fourth rule is there are some words which are a bit longer, and in these words also we have to see that the vowel which is present, it is in between the consonants. The vowel can never be at the end of the word. A is the vowel in this word. When we say the word aloud, park, we hear A sound as A. So, this is a short A sound word. Children, we will sing together the short A sound song. Come, let us learn the short A sound, the short A sound, the short A sound. Oh yes, let's learn the short A sound. The short A sound is A. Here we go. The short A sound is A. A as in ant. A as in pan. A as in car. A as in jam. A as in cat. A as in bad. A sound says A. The short A sound is A. A as in axe. A as in ran. A as in flag. A as in ant. A as in bat. A as in dad. A as in wax. A as in van. A sound says A. A sound says A. The short A sound is A. A as in cap. A as in band. A as in hat. A as in wall. A as in can. A as in dog. A sound says A. A sound says A. The short A sound is A. A as in map. A as in hand. A as in pat. A as in mad. A as in fan. A as in bag. A as in nap. A sound says A. A sound says A. The short A sound is A. A as in sand, A as in rat, A as in sad, A as in man, A as in tag, A as in bark, A as in lamp, A as in sat, A as in glass. The shortest sound is A. A as in tap, A as in jar, A as in bar, A as in far, A as in mar, A as in tar. The shortest sound is A. A as in fat, A as in land, A as in hat, A as in lang, A as in rag, A as in pan. The shortest sound is A. A as in tan, A as in fall, A as in call, A as in hall, A as in tall, A as in ball. The shortest sound is A. This is the end of our lesson. For your homework, you are going to write the short A sound words and long A sound words in your note copy and recite the A sound word song long and short along with me by seeing the video again and again. Thank you.